Hello guys, welcome to lesson 38 of the MANABU online textbook. We have separate videos of the grammar lessons on our YouTube channel, so please check them out for you to understand more about today's lesson. So let's get started. Lesson 38, sentence patterns. Let's read sentence pattern number 1. E o kaku no wa tanoshii desu. E o kaku no wa tanoshii desu. So in this lesson, we will learn how to make sentences or verb sentences into nouns. We will turn verb sentences into nouns and use those nouns as subjects of sentences, objects, or time. So in this sentence, e o kaku no wa tanoshii desu. So let's study them one by one. First, e o kaku. E o kaku. From e o kakimasu, to draw a picture or to paint, and kaku is the dictionary form of kakimasu. Now we will use the particle no. Once the particle no is added to dictionary form of verbs, the verbs or the verb sentence will become a noun. So, eo kaku no. So it's a noun. Once it has become a noun, we can use it as a subject, like in this sentence, or we can use it as an object of verbs or a time. And in this sentence number 1, it is used as subject of the sentence. Eo kaku no wa, by adding wa. So eo kaku no is already a noun. By adding particle wa, it's now become the subject of our sentence. Tanoshii desu. Now the subject is described using an adjective, tanoshii. It's fun. So eo kaku no, drawing a picture or painting wa is tanoshii desu, is fun. Sentence pattern number 2. Watashi wa hoshi o miru no ga suki desu. Watashi wa hoshi o miru no ga suki desu. So from the sentence watashi wa hoshi o mimasu, to watch or to see the stars. Watashi wa hoshi o mimasu, to look at the stars. No, by adding no to the dictionary form miru no, it now becomes a noun. And with the use of particle ga, you can use the na adjectives that uses the particle ga, like suki desu. So some adjectives like kirai, jozu, heta uses the particle ga, and this na adjective suki desu, uses the particle ga for its object. The object is hoshi o miru no, watching the stars. So hoshi o miru no ga, watching the stars, ga suki desu, I like. So I like watching the stars. Sentence pattern number 3. Saifu o motte kuru no wo wasuremashita. Saifu o motte kuru no wo wasuremashita. The verb wasurimasu or wasuremashita uses the particle o for its object. Now, saifu o motte kimasu, to bring wallet. Then, kuru, the dictionary form is kuru, particle no. It now becomes a noun. And with the use of particle o, we can use the verb wasuremasu. So, wasuremashita, I forgot. What did I forget? Bringing my wallet. Saifu o motte kuru, bringing my wallet. Particle no and particle o. So we can follow the object o verb pattern on our previous lessons. Object o verb. The object here is a verb with the particle no, so it becomes a noun. So we can use it as object. Then particle o, wasuremashita, I forgot. So if you want to say that you forgot to do something, like in this sentence, he forgot to do something. He forgot to bring his wallet. So motte kuru, saifu wo motte kuru no o wasuremashita. Sentence pattern number 4. Watashi ga Nihon e kita no wa kyonen no 3月 desu. So watashi ga Nihon e kita, Nihon e kimashita, came to Japan. Then kimashita, the plain form of kimashita is kita. Then if you add particle no to the plain form of verb, it now becomes a noun. Then adding particle wa, it now becomes the subject. Nihon e kita no wa kyonen no 3月です。So, kyonen means last year. 3月 is March. So, Nihon e kita. I came to Japan. Kyonen no 3月です。Last year, March. So, if we state this literally, Nihon e kita no wa my coming to Japan is kyonen no 3月です。is kyonen last year 3月 March. March last year. Now let's look at more example sentences about these patterns. Example sentence number 1. 日記を続けていますか？いいえ、3日でやめてしまいました。始めるのは簡単ですが、続けるのは難しいですね。So the first line, 日記を続けていますか？ So 日記 is diary. 続けています from the verb 続きます to continue. 続けています continuing. So are you continuing your diary? He said, いえ、no. 3日で in just 3 days. やめてしまいました。I quit. 始めるのは簡単です。The start is easy. ですが、but 続けるのは難しいですね。続けるの the continuing は難しい is difficult. Example sentence number 2. きれいな庭ですね。ありがとうございます。夫は花を育てるのが上手なんです。So, きれいな庭ですね。So, きれい is an adjective. So, きれいな then 庭。きれいな庭ですね。He said, ありがとうございます。Thank you very much. 夫は my husband 花を育てる。So, 花を育てます。So, 花を育てる。So, 花を育てます。To grow flowers. Then, 育てる dictionary form plus no, it now becomes a noun. が上手なんです。上手 means good at, skillful. So, my husband is good at growing flowers. 花を育てるの。Example sentence number 3. 東京はどうですか？人が多いですね。それにみんな歩くのが早いですね。東京はどうですか？ How is Tokyo? 人が多いですね。There are a lot of people here. それにみんな so and everyone 歩くのが so 歩く from 歩きます to walk 歩くの it's a noun particle が then an adjective 歩くのが早いですね they're walking 歩くの they're walking が their walking is 早いですね is fast so everyone walks fast. Example number 4. あ、いけない。どうしたんですか？車の窓を閉めるのを忘れました。So this expression いけない or いきません means something is in trouble or this is not good. He said, どうしたんですか？ What's the matter? 車の窓を閉めるのを So 車の窓を閉めます to close the car's window. 閉める is the dictionary form. Plus no, it now becomes a noun. Then, o, particle o, 忘れました. I forgot to close the car's window. Example sentence number 5. 宮崎さんに赤ちゃんが生まれたのを知っていますか？いいえ、知りませんでした。いつですか？1ヶ月ぐらい前です。So, 宮崎さんに remember this pattern, person に赤ちゃんが生まれた or 生まれました。It means that a child was born from this person. And in this case, 宮崎さんに赤ちゃんが生まれました。宮崎さん gave birth to a child. So, 生まれた the plain form of 生まれました plus no, it now becomes a noun. And particle o for the verb しています。Do you know that a child was born? Or do you know that Miyazaki-san gave birth to a child? いいえ、no, 知りませんでした。So if you were asked, 知っていますか? Do you know? And because of that question, you know the information. So you will say shirimasen deshita, not shirimasen. Shirimasen deshita because you did not know, but because of the question, now you know. Itsu desu ka? When? 1ヶ月ぐらい前です。1ヶ月ぐらい about 1 month 前です。about 1 month ago. Number 6. 初めて好きになった人のことを覚えていますか？ A. 彼女に初めて会ったのは小学校の教室です。彼女は音楽の先生でした。So 初めて first time, for the first time 好きになった人 the person that you like 好きになった人のこと So 人のこと means about that person particle を覚えていますか？ Do you still remember? A. Yes 彼女に初めて会った彼女に person に会いますperson に会います彼女に初めて会った初めて会いました The first time I met her No は小学校の教室です Was at the classroom at the elementary school 彼女は音楽の先生でした She was a music teacher So now let's watch the conversation video.
ジャプ先生、回覧です。
すみません。そこに置いといてください。
先生の研究室はいつもきれいですね。
私は片付けるのが好きなんです。
本もきちんと並べてあるし、整理するのが上手なんですね。
昔、上手な整理の方法という本を書いたことがあるんです。
すごいですね。
あまり掘れませんでしたけどね。よかったら一度一冊持ってきましょうか。
おはようございます。
本を持ってくるのを忘れました。すみません。
いいですよ。でも、回覧にハンコを押すのを忘れないでください。先月も押してありませんでしたよ。
Lesson 38, Exercise A. Let's read number 1. 一人でこの荷物を運ぶのは無理です。So, 一人で alone or by yourself. この荷物を運びます means to carry, to transport. So, carrying this luggage のは無理です。無理 means impossible or it's hard to do. Next line. 朝早く散歩するのは気持ちがいいです。So, 朝 in the morning 早く散歩する Taking a walk early in the morning のは気持ちがいいです。It's good for the feeling or your body. Next line ボランティアに参加するのは面白いです。So, ボランティアに volunteer So, being a volunteer 参加する So, participating So, participating as a volunteer 面白いです is fun. Number 2私はクラシック音楽を聴くのが好きです。So, 私はクラシック音楽を聴く from the verb 聴きます to listen. So, listening to classic songs のが好きです。So, once again, we will use the particle が for adjectives such as 好きです、下手です、上手です and other non-adjectives that uses the particle が。So, 好きです I like listening to classic songs. Next line 私は絵を描くのが下手です。So, 下手 means poor at or not good. I'm not good or I'm bad at drawing pictures or painting. Next line 私は食べるのが遅いです。So, 食べる means to eat Taberu no ga eating. Osoi desu is slow. I'm slow in eating. Number 3. Denki o kesu no o wasuremashita. So denki o keshimasu, to turn off the lights. Kesu no o wasuremashita. So the verb wasuremashita uses the particle o for its object. So I forgot turning off the lights. Next line. Kusuri o nomu no o wasuremashita. I forgot taking my medicine. From the verb nomimasu. Take medicine. Next line. Kurota-san ni renraku suru no o wasuremashita. So I forgot contacting Mr. Kurota. Kurota-san ni renraku suru, to contact Mr. Kurota. Next line. Ashita Tanaka-san ga tai-in suru no o shite imasu ka? So once again, the verb shite imasu. Shite imasu ka, do you know? It uses the particle o for its object. So, ashita, tomorrow, Tanaka-san ga tai-in suru. Tai-in suru means to be discharged from a hospital. Tai-in suru no shite imasu ka? Do you know that Mr. Tanaka will be discharged tomorrow? Next line. Raishu no kinyoubi wa zangyo ga nai no o shite imasu ka? So, raishu no kinyoubi, next Friday. Zangyo ga nai. So, there is no overtime. Zangyo ga arimasen. So, zangyo ga nai no o shite imasu ka? Do you know that there is or there will be no overtime next Friday? Next line. Ekimai ni oki na hoteru ga dekita no o shite imasu ka? Do you know that there's a new big hotel at the front of the station? So, ekimai ni, at the front of the station. Oki na hoteru, a big hotel, ga dekita. Dekimashita. It means be created or be established. A big hotel was created in front of the station. No o shite imasu ka? Number 5. Chichi ga umareta no wa Hokkaido no chisana mura desu. So, chichi ga umaremashita. So, it means that the place where my father was born. Chichi ga umareta no wa is Hokkaido no chisana mura desu. A small village in Hokkaido. Next line. Watashi ga hoshii no wa itariyasei no kutsu desu. So, watashi ga hoshii no wa, hoshii means want. What I want is itariyasei no kutsu desu. An Italian shoes. So, itariyasei means made in Italy. Itariyasei no kutsu desu. An Italian shoes. Next line. Ichibang taisetsu nano wa kazoku no kenkou desu. So, ichibang means the most. Taisetsu is important. The most important is kazoku no kenkou desu. Family's health, or the health of the family. So that's all for this lesson, guys. Make sure to watch my grammar lesson videos on our YouTube channel for you to understand more about this lesson. So see you guys again next time. Gambatte ne!